Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of 3 beautiful daughters. And I know what it's like to feel like you're at rock bottom, where it seems no matter how hard you work, you can't catch a break. But here's what nobody told me back then. That same broke season I was hating was actually the season that shaped me into who I am today. So if you're broke right now, I want you to listen closely because I'm about to show you how to turn this moment into your breakthrough. Reframe the struggle. Most people see being broke as failure, but the truth is, being broke isn't punishment. It's pressure that can either break you or build you. See, when you have nothing, you start seeing everything different. You get creative, you get focused, you learn what actually matters, and that's where the breakthrough happens. You can't control being broke, but you can control how you respond to it. The decision point, the moment my life started to shift, was when I started being conscious, when I stopped waiting for money to change and started changing how I thought about money. Instead of saying I can't afford it, I started asking, how can I create it? And that question, that shift opened the door to everything I have now. That's when I discovered a system that let me earn daily pay without a product, without a team, without burning out. Because I realized I didn't need to escape being broke. I needed to use it as fuel to build differently. The blueprint. Now, if you're ready to start shifting from broke to breakthrough, I built a full step-by-step blueprint that shows you exactly how to create online income using a done-for-you system. It's not about the hustle. It's about structure. It's about learning how to earn from peace instead of panic. So when you're ready to start turning your broke season into your breakthrough season, head over to www.getdailypayments.com and I'll show you how to start. I've been broke. I've been burnt out. But now I am free because I built from stillness. And I want that same peace for you. Because if you can survive broke, you can build from it. And this is your moment to do exactly that. Link in the description for more details.